Welcome to Voice Vocabulary. In today's video, we'll guide you through a simple and powerful story about how beginners can learn English in a fun and effective way. If you're just starting your English journey, this video is perfect for you. Listen carefully, follow along with the subtitles, and enjoy learning English through clear and easy sentences. Let's begin. Learning English can be a beautiful journey, especially when you take small steps and stay consistent with your practice. In the beginning, it might feel hard, but remember, every expert was once a beginner just like you. The first and most important step is to believe that you can learn English, no matter where you come from. You should start with learning simple words that you use in your daily life, like table, chair, and book. It is very helpful to label the things around your home in English, so you can remember their names easily. When you see those English words every day, your brain will start remembering them without much effort. Try to speak a few English sentences every day, even if it's just to yourself in the mirror. Speaking in English helps build your confidence, and slowly you will become more fluent. Reading simple English stories or children's books can help you learn sentence structure and vocabulary. These stories use everyday English, which is perfect for someone who is just starting to learn. You should also try to watch English cartoons or short videos with subtitles to hear how English is spoken. Listening to English every day trains your ears and helps you understand the flow of the language. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just try to catch a few words at a time. Slowly, you will start understanding more and more words just by listening regularly. It is a great idea to write 1 or 2 sentences in English every day in a notebook. Writing helps you think in English and teaches you how to form correct sentences. When you make mistakes, don't feel bad, because mistakes are a part of learning. You can also use mobile apps that are made to help beginners learn English in fun and easy ways. These apps often include games, speaking practice, and vocabulary exercises that are very helpful. Try to learn 5 new words every day and use them in a sentence so you don't forget. Learning in small parts is better than trying to learn everything at once. Practice with a friend who also wants to learn English, so you both can help each other. You can also talk to yourself in English, describing what you are doing during the day. For example, say, "I am brushing my teeth," or "I am making tea" in English. These simple sentences will become your habit, and soon you will speak without thinking. Start by learning how to introduce yourself, like saying your name, age, and hobbies in English. Once you are comfortable with introductions, you can practice small conversations. Conversations help you learn how real people use English in daily life. You should also listen to English songs with lyrics and try to sing along. This will help with your pronunciation and make learning fun and interesting. Remember to repeat the things you learn often, because repetition makes your memory stronger. Set small goals like learning 1 topic per week, such as colors, days of the week, or greetings. Celebrate your progress even if it's small, because every step brings you closer to fluency. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Sometimes it will feel difficult, but if you keep going, it will become easier. Always keep a small dictionary or translation app to help when you don't know a word. Try to learn grammar slowly, starting with basic rules like how to make a sentence. Grammar is important, but it's okay to focus more on speaking and listening at the start. Watch beginner English learning videos online and try to repeat what they say. You can also listen to short English podcasts for beginners while doing chores. This way, you are learning even when you are not studying with books. Make flashcards with words and pictures to help you remember new vocabulary easily. You can stick these flashcards on your wall and revise them every day. Learn question and answer patterns like, "What is your name?" and "My name is Rahul." Understanding how questions and answers work helps in real conversations. Try role-playing with someone or even by yourself to practice daily situations. Practice how to order food, ask for directions, or talk about the weather in English. Every day, speak a little more than you did the day before. Progress will come. Keep a journal where you write about your day in simple English sentences. Even if your sentences are not perfect, writing helps improve your thinking in English. Don't worry about big words. Use easy and clear words that are used every day. Over time, your vocabulary will grow, and you'll learn to use better words. Try to use English in real life, like talking to shopkeepers or asking questions in English. This will boost your courage and show you that you can really use the language. Take deep breaths before speaking in English, And don't rush your words. Speaking slowly helps you think and makes your words clear to others. Watch how people move their mouths when they speak English. It helps with pronunciation. Always keep learning from your mistakes and never feel shy or embarrassed. Join online English learning communities where you can talk to other learners. Sharing experiences with other learners will make you feel supported and motivated. Record your voice while speaking English and listen to improve your pronunciation. Listening to yourself helps you know what needs to improve. Try shadowing, which means repeating what you hear in real time while watching videos. This helps with speaking speed, pronunciation, and confidence. Learn English with a smile and a positive mindset, because it makes the process enjoyable. Use English in fun ways like playing games, telling stories, or writing poems. Fun learning stays in your mind longer than boring lessons. Watch simple English interviews of famous people and try to understand what they say. Learn small phrases like, "How are you?" or "I am fine," and use them in daily talk. These small phrases are the building blocks of strong communication. Make English your friend, not a subject you fear. Talk to your pets, your plants, or even your toys in English to practice speaking. The more you use English in your daily life, the faster you will improve. Be proud of every small step you take in learning English. Keep going, keep speaking, keep reading, and keep believing in yourself. Soon, you will see that the language that once felt difficult is now easy for you. You will be able to talk with others, understand movies, and even write in English. Learning English opens the door to many opportunities around the world. Keep your dreams big and your efforts strong, and English will be yours. You can learn English, and you will. Just keep practicing every single day. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful English today. Keep practicing every day, and you will get better step by step. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Voice Vocabulary for more helpful and easy English stories. See you in the next video.